Our planet, a blue oasis teeming with life, began its journey as a fiery inferno. Around 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a chaotic mass of molten rock and swirling gas. Debris from the newly formed solar system constantly bombarded the young planet. These impacts, along with radioactive decay within Earth's core, generated immense heat, keeping the planet in a molten state. There were no oceans, no continents, only a churning sea of magma. The atmosphere, a toxic cocktail of gases like methane and ammonia, held no free oxygen. The Earth began to cool over millions of years. As temperatures dropped, the molten rock began to solidify, forming the planet's very first crust. This crust, thin and brittle, was constantly reshaped by volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts. Despite the harsh conditions, this period laid the foundation for everything that was to come. From the fiery chaos of our planet's birth, the stage was set for the emergence of life itself. The story of Earth is a testament to the power of time and the remarkable transformations our planet has undergone. The early Earth's atmosphere was a far cry from the life-sustaining air we breathe today. Instead of oxygen, it was a toxic mix of gases, including methane, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. Volcanic eruptions spewed out these gases, enveloping the planet in a thick, poisonous blanket. The thick gases trapped heat from the sun, contributing to the planet's extremely high temperatures. This greenhouse effect kept the surface too hot for liquid water to exist. However, this toxic atmosphere also held the seeds of change. The same gases that made Earth inhospitable to life would eventually become the building blocks for the first living organisms. Over millions of years, the composition of the atmosphere would undergo a dramatic transformation, paving the way for the emergence of life. It's a testament to the incredible resilience and adaptability of nature, constantly evolving and transforming over eons. As the Earth continued to cool, a remarkable transformation began to unfold on its surface. The once uniform sea of magma started to separate, with lighter elements rising to the top. This process led to the formation of Earth's first solid crust. This early crust was constantly broken and reformed by the churning magma below. Volcanic eruptions were commonplace, spewing molten rock and gases into the atmosphere. The formation of the crust was a pivotal moment in Earth's history. It marked the first step in the planet's transition from a molten inferno to a more stable and habitable world. This solid surface provided a foundation on which oceans could eventually form and, much later, life could emerge. From this primordial chaos, the building blocks of our planet were formed, setting the stage for the remarkable transformations that would follow. It's a testament to the power of geological processes, shaping and reshaping the Earth over billions of years. The early Earth was a harsh and unforgiving environment, seemingly inhospitable to life as we know it. The atmosphere was toxic, the oceans were acidic, and volcanic eruptions were commonplace. Yet against all odds, life found a way to emerge. Scientists believe that simple single-celled organisms first appeared in the primordial oceans around 3.8 billion years ago. These early life forms, known as prokaryotes, were incredibly resilient, able to withstand the extreme conditions of the early Earth. These early organisms possessed the remarkable ability to photosynthesize, much like plants do today. Through this process, they harnessed energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The emergence of life on Earth is a testament to the incredible power of nature. From the most inhospitable of beginnings, life found a way to flourish and began to reshape the planet itself. Section 5. The Great Oxidation Event. As photosynthetic life proliferated in the Earth's oceans, a dramatic shift began to occur in the planet's atmosphere. Oxygen, once a rare gas, began to accumulate. This gradual process, spanning millions of years, is known as the Great Oxidation Event. Prior to the Great Oxidation Event, the Earth's atmosphere was largely devoid of free oxygen. The oxygen produced by early photosynthetic organisms reacted with iron and other elements, forming vast deposits of iron oxide on the ocean floor. However, as these sinks became saturated, oxygen began to build up in the atmosphere. This influx of oxygen had a profound impact on life on Earth. While oxygen was toxic to many early anaerobic life forms, It paved the way for the evolution of more complex, oxygen-breathing organisms. The Great Oxidation Event was a pivotal moment in Earth's history, marking a dramatic shift in the planet's atmosphere and paving the way for the evolution of life as we know it. Section 6. From simplicity to complexity. The rise of oxygen in Earth's atmosphere had profound consequences for the evolution of life. With oxygen now readily available, a new class of organisms emerged: eukaryotes. These organisms, unlike their prokaryotic predecessors, possessed complex cells with specialized compartments, including a nucleus that housed their DNA. The emergence of eukaryotes was a major leap forward in the complexity of life. These cells were larger, more organized, and more efficient at energy production than their prokaryotic counterparts. This paved the way for the evolution of multicellular organisms, a crucial step in the development of life as we know it. Over millions of years, multicellular organisms continued to evolve and diversify. The evolution of life from single-celled organisms to complex multicellular life forms is a testament to the power of natural selection. Section 7. The continents drift apart. While life was undergoing a dramatic transformation, the Earth's surface was also undergoing its own remarkable changes. The Earth's crust, once a fragmented collection of small plates, began to collide and coalesce, forming larger land masses. This process, driven by the movement of tectonic plates, led to the formation of the first continents. Continents collided, forming towering mountain ranges and triggering massive volcanic eruptions. Oceans opened and closed, reshaping the planet's geography and influencing the distribution of life. The continuous movement of the continents had a profound impact on the evolution of life, creating barriers that isolated populations of organisms and fostering the development of unique species on different landmasses. The Earth's continents are not static entities, but rather pieces of a giant puzzle, constantly shifting and reshaping the planet's surface. This dynamic process, driven by the Earth's internal heat, has played a fundamental role in the evolution of life, creating diverse habitats and influencing the course of evolution. Section 8. A tapestry of life. As the continents continued to drift and collide, life on Earth flourished in a dazzling array of forms. The oceans teemed with diverse marine life, while plants colonized the land, creating lush forests and vast grasslands. The stage was set for the emergence of complex ecosystems, each with its own unique web of life. The interplay of living organisms with each other and their environment led to the development of intricate food webs and symbiotic relationships. Herbivores grazed on plants, predators hunted their prey, and decomposers broke down organic matter, returning nutrients to the soil. From the smallest insects to the largest dinosaurs, life on Earth exploded in a riot of diversity. Each organism played a vital role in its ecosystem, contributing to the health and stability of the planet as a whole. The story of life on Earth is one of constant change, adaptation, and diversification. Driven by environmental pressures and the relentless forces of natural selection, life has evolved from single-celled organisms to the complex ecosystems we see today. Section 9. A planet in constant motion. The Earth, far from being a static and unchanging sphere, is a dynamic planet in constant motion. Its continents continue to drift, albeit slowly, reshaping the planet's surface over millions of years. Its climate, influenced by a complex interplay of factors, undergoes natural cycles of warming and cooling. These changes, both gradual and dramatic, have shaped the course of life on Earth. The extinction of the dinosaurs, likely triggered by a catastrophic asteroid impact, paved the way for the rise of mammals. Ice ages have come and gone, driving the migration and adaptation of countless species. Today, humans are witnessing and contributing to a new era of rapid environmental change. Our activities are altering the climate, transforming landscapes, and impacting the delicate balance of ecosystems. Understanding the Earth's long and dynamic history is crucial for navigating the challenges of the future and ensuring the well-being of all life on our planet.